My name is Venkatnayak. I am studying in grade 7. Today I am explaining about sound. What is the sound? Sound is a form of energy which makes us to hear. What is the sources of sound? Sound is a disturbance created in the matter, solid, liquid, gases. How is sound travels? Sound travels in the form of wave. There are two waves: longitudinal waves, transverse waves. Now I am going to explain about sound instruments. String instruments, wind instruments, person instruments. String instruments, it will use with string. But example, violin, guitar. Wind instruments, it will come with wind, flute. Person instruments, it will come with leather. Drum, bass drum. This is my topic today, sound. Thank you.